Monday marks the International Day for Biological Diversity. With the continuous ecological conservation efforts in China, endangered wild animal species such as Asian elephants, snow leopards, and Siberian tigers have seen a rise in populations and expanded their habitats in recent years. Wild Asian elephants, a flagship species in the rainforest, are under A-level state protection in China. Thanks to protection efforts over the past decades, the population in the country has grown to about 300, mostly scattered around southwest China's Yunnan province. Known as the King of Snow Mountains, the snow leopards are usually found at an altitude of 3,000 to 5,000 meters. In the Chumolangma National Nature Reserve in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region, the snow leopard is the flagship species. Preliminary estimates put the population of snow leopards here at more than 100, according to the Regional Forestry and Grassland Bureau. China is also making steady progress in building national parks in environmentally important regions. The first batch of the 5 national parks have been established to better protect wildlife species and their habitats, including the Northeast China Tiger and Leopard National Park. To protect the big cats and restore the ecosystem, China has established the national park with an area of over 14,000 square kilometers and spanning Jilin and Heilongjiang provinces. The latest data show that the population of wild Siberian tigers in the park has exceeded 50, while the figure was 27 around 2017. Meanwhile, the number of Amur leopards in the park has increased from 42 in 2017 to more than 60.